Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change language in Samsung Galaxy A05 device. So guys, for this all you guys have to do, just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have an option of general management here. Just tap on general management and then click to language. As you see, it is already set to English, and if you want to select any other language like I am selecting Francis, so just click to Francis and go to France. If you want to change this, just tap to set as default and the language is now changed. So as you see, the language is now changed. Just go back and language is now clearly changed. And if you want to set the language again to English, all you guys have to do just tap to English and then make it up so that the language is now changed to English. As you see, the language is now changed. That's how we can change language in Galaxy A05 device. All we have to do just long press the language and then swipe it up or down to change the language. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.